Want to install Google AntiGravity on your laptop or PC? In this video, I'll show you exactly how to download and set it up step by step. Google AntiGravity is an AI-powered development environment designed to help you write, edit, and manage code more efficiently using smart automation and built-in tools. Let's get started. First, open your web browser. You can use Chrome, Edge, or any browser you prefer. Next, type antigravity.google in the address bar and press Enter to go to the official website. Once the site loads, click on the download button in the top right corner. You'll be taken to the download page. Here, go to the Windows section, and you'll see two versions available, x64 and ARM64. Now this part is important. If you're using a regular Windows laptop or PC, choose the x64 version. This is what most computers use. If you're using a device with an ARM-based processor, like some newer lightweight laptops, then choose the ARM64 version instead. If you're not sure which one your PC uses, here's how to check. Open the Start menu, search for System Information, and open it. Look for system type. If it says x64-based PC, download the x64 version. If it says ARM-based PC, choose ARM64. Once you select the correct version, the download will start automatically. After the download is complete, go to your Downloads folder and double-click the .exe file. Accept the license agreement, then click Next. Now follow the installation steps. Click Next a few times, then click Install, and wait for it to finish. Once it's done, click Finish to launch the app. When AntiGravity opens, you can customize your workspace, choose your theme, and set everything up the way you like. Then sign in with your Google account to start using all the features. And that's it. Google AntiGravity is now installed on your Windows PC. If this video helped you out, drop a like. It really helps the channel grow. And for more quick and practical tech tutorials, make sure to subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.